Welcome to eValid's test-enabled browser and take you on a guided tour and step you through the product installation and license management. Upon successfully requesting a download of the eValid product, here's an example of your license key, which is sent via email. In most cases, the email message will contain a link to your eValid license page or an ASCII text attachment of the eValid.lic file. Go ahead and download eValid by clicking on the FTP link. The download normally takes only about a minute on a DSL connection. Since the eValid file is only 7.89 megabytes. Proceed when prompted, click Run, run again, and we're going to go ahead and close the Yahoo Mailer page and return to that after the product completes its installation. When the Install Shield window pops up, click Run to continue. For those of you who are installing eValid for the very first time, you'll see a license agreement and click Yes to indicate you agree. Next to continue, and next again to use the default installation destinations. eValid setup continues to performing the requested operations. Towards the end, you'll see a command window pop open. This requires administrative privileges in order for the eVenter License Manager services to start up. When the installation is near completion, you'll see the Install Shield results. So click Next, and in Install Shield Wizard Complete, click Finish. Then you'll see a message like this. The eValid application will try to invoke itself, and an error is expected because there is no existing license file found. So click No to continue, No again, and you'll see the eValid welcome pop up. Go ahead and click OK. And as soon as the eValid browser's toolbar displays the Help option, go ahead and click Help Manage License. As expected, eValid is unable to locate the eValid.lic file. So we're going to install the license key using the Manage License utility. Now copy the actual license key from your license page. Typically, the links will include the license page, or you may have an attachment of the actual eValid.lic file as text. Go ahead and copy the actual key. Proceed to switch back to the Managed License editable region, paste, and for those of you dealing with more than one feature, you got to make sure that the license features contain a carriage return at the end of each line. Going to proceed, click Update. eValid then creates the eValid.lic file and it performs the updates. Click OK. Go ahead and dismiss your email window. And we're going to need to relaunch eValid so that the license key is reloaded. To confirm that the license key is valid, go to License Info, and there you'll be able to check the signed details. In summary, I've shown you that eValid product is simple, has a speedy download, and an automatic installation, along with an easy license key management. Thank you.